Education girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're learning about a holiday.
So let's begin.
In Education Girls, we love celebrations. You might already know about Dia de los Muertos, Eid, and Ramadan. Today we're learning about another holiday called Passover.
What's Passover? In Hebrew, it's called Pesach. It's a Jewish holiday that celebrates the end of enslavement of Jewish people in Egypt. If you've heard or Moses, the origin of Passover may sound somewhat familiar to you.
The Torah, first 5 books of the Jewish Bible, tells that pharaohs enslaved the Jewish people for many years. The pharaoh forced them to do hard work. He also ordered the death of every newborn Jewish boy. However, a baby named Moses was saved by his mother and his sister Miriam. He was then raised by the pharaoh's daughter.
Moses grew up in the court knowing the story of his birth. As he grew up, it became more difficult to see the way his people were being treated in Egypt. He moved away and became a shepherd. One day, God appeared to Moses in a burning bush. God told Moses to return to Egypt. There, he would help free the Jewish people. Moses followed this order. But the Pharaoh didn't want to let the enslaved people go.
That's when God unleashed the 10 plagues on Egypt. According to the text, the Nile River turned to blood. Then came swarms of frogs, lice, and wild animals. Next, the Egyptians' animals died from disease. The Egyptian people were afflicted by boils and a hailstorm. This was followed by the plague of locusts and then darkness.
Finally, the 10th plague would kill the firstborn son of every single Egyptian family. To protect themselves, Jewish families painted their front doorsteps and lintels with blood from a lamb. God, or in some versions an angel, passed over those homes. That's where the name of the holiday came from.
After the 10th plague, Pharaoh allowed the Jewish people to leave Egypt. However, he soon ordered his army to recapture them. That's when, according to Jewish texts, the Red Sea split in half. It let Moses and the Jews through, and then crashed down on the Egyptians' land.
Each year, Jewish people celebrate Passover to remember their history and thank God for protecting them. It's a 7-day-long celebration that starts on the 15th day of Nisan, a month in the Jewish calendar. On the Gregorian calendar, this falls between mid-March and mid-April. No work is allowed on the first or last days of Passover.
But how is Passover celebrated? A part of the holiday is the removal of bread from Jewish homes. No bread that has been risen, like thick sandwich bread and pizza crust, etc., can be eaten during Passover. In the days leading up to the festival, people remove all those products from their home in preparation.
Seder is another part of Passover celebration. This is a family meal. It occurs on either the first night or the first 2 nights of the festival. At Seder, people follow a specific order of blessings and traditions. They eat traditional Passover foods like matzah, crunchy, unleavened bread, grape juice, bitter herbs, raisins, and eggs. They also read about Passover from a book called the Haggadah.
Passover traditions may vary depending on what part of the world you live in. However, one thing remains the same. The week of Passover is one of the best times of the year for Jewish people everywhere around the world.
Thanks for watching!
Please subscribe
and smash that bell.
Remember to share this video with your friends.
And give a big thumbs up.